In this video, I will show you how to send location to someone on Instagram. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to tap on the search button right here and then click on the search bar. Now, we just have to search for our location or city that we reside in. Let's say New York. Now that we've searched, all we have to do is to go to places right here and then tap on one of the location. Let's say Brooklyn, New York. Now, in order for us to send our location to someone on Instagram, all we have to do is to click on this button right here, the airplane button, and then send it to your certain someone. We can just add a message right here. Let's say there. Now we just have to send it and go back. Now, if we look to our messages, we have sent our location to someone on Instagram. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.